Yes. Hello students. Now we are doing some important questions. First question is find roots of this quadratic equation. What is the equation is? Under root 5x square plus 8x plus 3 root 5 is equal to 0. And by which method you have to solve? By factorization method you have to solve. That you all know. We are going to revise now. See here. This is your quadratic equation like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 form. Okay, and we have to factorize it. And how can we factorize? We have one technique, that is middle term splitting. Okay, how can we factorize? See here, if you have to find two numbers whose product is 3, root 5 into root 5 is 5, this is 15, 3 into 5 15, and here is plus means you add sum. After adding, you have to find out sum 8. Okay, you have to find two numbers whose sum is 8 and product is 15. This will be 5 and 3. Always take 5 bigger number. Okay, take always bigger number because we are always respecting our elders. Okay, see here, 5 plus 3 and here 5 into 3. On place of middle number 8, I am writing like this. Okay. On place of 8, I am writing. So what will come? Under root 5x square plus 5x plus 3x plus 3 under root 5 is equal to 0. Isn't it? Very simple. Then what to do? You have to take out common. What is common? Let me see from these two. Here root 5 is common and x is also here. Then what will come? X. Here root 5 will come. Got it? Okay. From these two I am taking out root 5, x square and x. You have to taking out this x. What is remaining? X plus root 5. Now in this one 3 is common here. Clearly x plus root 5. Again you see this and this. X plus root 5 and x plus root 5 both are common. I am taking out, and second one is root 5 x plus 3 equal to 0. It means what? X plus root 5 is equal to 0 or root 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. The two, one is x is equal to minus root 5. And what will be the next one? See, root 5x, if 3 will go that side, you will get minus 3. This is minus 3 upon root 5 and this is your answer. Now come on the next important question. See, solve by quadratic formula. You have to solve this equation with the help of quadratic formula. Okay, this equation is this. Okay, first of all, what you have to convert this equation in journal form, or we can say standard form. How can we convert it? Think it. Here denominator is there. We can convert this equation by taking LCM. See, what is our LCM here in LHS? X minus 2 and x minus 4 will be the LCM of it. Okay. Now see, x minus 2, if we divide it here, then remaining what will come? Quotient will come x minus 4 and x minus 1 is already there. So what will be? You have to multiply this like in this way. Okay, then make it plus sign. X minus 3 as it is. Now the turn is x minus 4. X minus 4, if you divide it here, then x minus 4 to x minus 4 cut. What will be remaining? X minus 2. So x minus 2. 3 is a 9 and 1 10. 10 upon 3 is here. Okay, come on the next. This is 10 upon 3. Multiply it. X into x, x square minus 4x minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8. Okay, and here let me see, x into x, x square, x into minus 4 minus 4x, minus 1 into x, then minus 1 into minus 4, this will be plus 4, and come here, x into x, x square, minus 2x, minus 3 into x, minus 3x, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6, like this. Okay, now come on, simplify it. What will be see here? X square minus 5x minus 4x, and this minus 5x plus 4, and here x square again minus 5x plus 6 upon, here what will come, x square minus 4 into minus 4 and minus 2 is minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 10 upon, this is your 8. Okay, now then come on, see how many are there. X into x, x square plus x square, this is 2x square, 2x square, minus 5x and minus 5x, this is minus 10x, 6 plus 4, that is 10, and here x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to this 10 upon 3. Okay, then cross multiply. Yes, after that you have to cross multiply it. Say 10x square minus 10 6 are 60x, 10 8 are 80 is equal to 2 3 are 6, 6x square. Then you see minus 10, here is minus 10 and here is 3, minus 10 into 3, that is minus 30, and x, this is minus 30x, and 10 3s are 30. This is the way, and try to make it your quadratic equation in general form. See here is 10x square, I am sending here 10x square minus 60x plus 80 minus 6x square plus 30x minus 30 equal to 0. Here is 10x square, here is minus 6 square, this is 4x square. Here is minus 60x and here is plus 30x. This will be minus 30x. Minus 30x. Now see, here plus 80 minus 30, this will be plus 50 is equal to 0. Okay, then how can you can take out 2 common. If I take out 2 common, then what will come? See, 2x square 15x, and here will come 25 is equal to 0. If we send 2 that side in denominator, then this will be 0 upon 2, this is 0. Okay, this is looking like your what? Quadratic equation. Okay, it is in the form of A, B and C. See here, A is here 2, B is here minus 15 and C is here 25. What will be D? D is B square minus 4AC. What is meaning of D? That is discriminant. Okay. D will be what? This is minus 15 square 4. A is 2 and this is 25. 15 square is what? 15 square 225. Here is minus 15. Minus 15 will become, minus 15 square will become plus 225. 225. Okay. 25 to the 50. 50 4 is 200. And what is D? D will be 25. Okay, and you have to write roots. What can you decide it about nature? Nature will be, roots will be real and different. Because it is greater than 0, roots will be real and different. You can say you can get minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. Put all the values here. See, minus b is what? Minus of minus 15 plus minus under root d. What is d? This is 25 upon 2. A is what? 2. Then what will come? This is plus 15 plus minus under root 25 is 5 upon 4. How, how can you get the roots? See, one time you take plus and one time you take minus. Now come on, 20 upon 4. This should be 5. Okay. And here 15 minus 5 is 10. 10 upon 4. This is 5 upon 2. And this is your answer. Now the next question is solved by quadratic formula. What is 4 upon x minus 3 is equal to 5 upon 2x minus 3. Okay, here x should not be 0 or x should not be minus 3 by 2. Okay, now come on. See here, because it is not in general form, let me see we can convert in quadratic form equation or not. See, this is your equation. I am taking LCM x. X divided by x is 1. 4 only will come and here 3x will come. Okay, and this upon this as it is. Here 5x and here 4 minus 3x into 2x plus 3. Okay, now see, 5x is here, then distributive property. 4 2s are 8x, 4 into 3 is 12, 4 3s are 12. This is minus 6x square, this is minus 9x. Okay, yes, come on man. 5x, here is minus 6x square, this is your minus 1x, and this is 12 because 8x minus 9x is minus 1x. Okay, then send all these here on LHS. LHS already 5x is there. This is plus 6x square plus 1x and this is minus 12 equal to 0. Then what will come? See here, 6x square, 5x and 1x, this will be 6x, minus 12 equal to 0, isn't it? Now take out 6 common. This is 1x minus 2 equal to 0. What will come? This is the thing. This is your quadratic equation. Let me see what are A, B and C. Here A is here 1, B is here 1 and C is here minus 2. Then after you have to find the value of discriminant. What is discriminant D? D is your B square minus 4AC. Okay, what is B? B is 1. Put 1 here, 1 square. Minus 4AC. Minus 4. A is what? 1 and C is what? Minus 2. Very good. 1 and this is minus 2. B is equal to 1 square is 1, minus minus plus 4 2 side, this will be 9. D is coming 9, it is greater than 0, we can say roots are real and different. Then you have to find out its roots by quadratic formula, or we can say your Sridharacharya formula. And what is Sridharacharya formula? Is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. Again I am repeating, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. Now I am writing here x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. If I put values, b is here 1, minus already b is 1, plus minus under root d, d is what? 9 upon 2, a is what? 1, minus 1 plus minus 3 upon 2. Okay, these are the things. Then you have to find the roots. How can you find it? Take one time plus and one time minus. Minus 1 plus 3 upon 2. X is equal to minus 1 minus 3 upon 2. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. 2 upon 2. This is equal to 1. And here minus 4 upon 2. This is equal to minus 2. Yes, come on. The next question is, find the value of k for which the given equation has real and equal roots. Equation is given k plus 1 x square minus 2, then k minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, here this is in standard form. So what to do? You have to find value of a, b and c. Clearly a is coefficient of x square. This is k plus 1. b is what? This is coefficient of x, 2 into k minus 1. And c is clearly constant 1. And one more thing it is given to you, that is roots are real and equal. What do you mean by roots of real and equal? That time discriminant will be 0. Discriminant will be 0. So can I write d is equal to 0? Come on here. D, yes, one more thing it is given to you. Roots are real and equal. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? D should be 0. See, d is equal to 0. What is the meaning then d? B square minus 4ac. Okay, b is what here? Minus 2 k minus 1 and then square minus 4. A is here k plus 1 and c is here 1. Okay, then square root is 4 and here k minus 1 whole square, k square minus 2k plus 1, just like a minus b whole square minus 4k distributive property minus 4 equal to 0. Again here is what? See here 4k square distributive property 8k, 4 into 1 is 4. Okay, then next two terms are here minus 4k minus 4. This 4 to 4 minus 4 will cut. Okay, then 4k square minus 4 and minus 8 is minus 12. K is already here. This is 0. Okay, then take out 4k. That is k minus 4 3s are 12. That is equal to 0. Now come on here. Then 4k is equal to 0 and k minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, for finding the value of k, then k will be 0 upon 4. I can say 0. 0 upon 4 is always 0 and minus 3 will go that side. K is equal to 3. Then here two values are k0, either k0 or 3. This is your answer.